Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you're receiving error code 53000 when logging into Microsoft Teams, it means your organization's conditional access policies are blocking you because your device is not recognized or compliant. I will show you exactly how to register your device to meet these security requirements right now. Let's get started. First, we need to manually register your computer with your organization's network so it is recognized as a trusted endpoint. Press your Windows key, type Access, Work, or School, and press Enter to open your account settings. Click the Connect button, enter your official company email address, and follow the on-screen prompts to link your device. Keep in mind that depending on your specific company's security rules, you might be required to approve a mobile device management profile during this process. Next, you must ensure you are granting the correct authentication permissions when signing directly into the Teams application. Open Microsoft Teams, enter your credentials, and wait for the Stay Signed In to All Your Apps prompt to appear on your screen. It is critical that you leave the box checked for Allow my organization to manage my device and click OK, because selecting the No Sign in to this app only option will immediately trigger the 53000 security block again. Finally, if your device is connected but you are still being blocked, your computer might be failing a strict background compliance check set by your IT department. Open your Windows settings, navigate to Windows Update, and ensure your system is completely up to date, as outdated operating systems or missing antivirus definitions are frequently blocked by conditional access policies. If your system is fully updated and the error persists, this strongly indicates you will need to contact your IT administrator to approve your specific device in their Azure Active Directory dashboard. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.